this is what I am coming up with. So this is what I have done so far. What I am doing right now is using washi tape. It's called washi tape. I don't know what it is called at yours, but this tapes with design. They come in different sizes. You have something like this and this. I don't know what it is called at yours, but it's called washi tape. So what I'm doing is using it as a frame around the printed photos. The whole idea is basically putting photos, memories. This is the first time he came to Nigeria. So it's of course a memorable moment. This is the first meal we had together. So it's just going to be a collection of different memories in pictures, and I'm going to include some affirmations in words. So the idea is I'm going to be sticking some sticky notes here. Basically, I'm going to be using, my plan is to use something like this and then just make some affirming note and stick by the side of where you have spaces, and then we'll see how it goes. I'm going to do this one, see what I'm doing. So I'm creating a frame around the picture printouts like this. I'm trying to align it as much as possible so it looks good. So yeah, so this is finished. And I do not have enough of this design to finish up this, but that's totally fine. I mean, it makes it more beautiful. I'm going to continue with this one. It's quite glittery, but yeah, that is what I have for now. Proceed with this one. So quite shiny. Oh, that's totally fine. It's still doing the job. So this is what I am going to be doing. You get the drill, right? So I'm going to do this for all of the pictures here. Yeah, I will be using this. So this is what I have written so far. So just basically affirmations and how I see him and what he means to me in few words, right? So that's basically what I'm doing. And I am using this one, these sticky notes with label stickers with this washable or cleanable pen. So you could actually clean this. So you can actually wet and clean this. So if you wet a piece of clothes and you clean this, it will clean off. But the interesting thing is when you rub it on the surface, like, it doesn't clean off. So I hope this stays by the time I present it to him. Let's see how long it's going to last. So that's that. So I'm just going to write more here and let's see how it goes from there. So far, this is what I have written. I like how we bond over fashion shows, strangely. Like lately, I noticed that we enjoy watching fashion shows together. That's a very, very, very interesting way to bond. So this will go on until I am satisfied. I am then going to finish up placing the pictures and find a way to place the sticky notes or the sticky label, and then we will see how it turns out. But I know it's going to be beautiful regardless, and I am positive that he would love and appreciate it. So this is what I have done so far. Like I said, I'm trying to be careful so I don't give up too much personal information. I am deliberately putting my hands over some pictures here. So yeah, this is basically what I have come up with so far, using the different washi tapes to go, around the edges of the printed photos. And just to mention, I printed the pictures using the printer at home. What I did is I put different pictures into Pix Collage and then printed it on A4. Used the A4 paper sizing to be able to have different sizing options. So that is what I did. So I used about 24 to 26 pictures. So it's depending on the sizing you are going for and how you intend to design. So this is the stage of the photo. The next thing I'll be doing is to place the sticky notes or sticky labels to the spaces, and let's see how it turns out. So to show you what I have in mind when I open the box, we have this. I'm going to look for affirmations that kind of align with the photo. It doesn't necessarily have to be a clear description of the photo, but just something that maybe relates to the photo or not. So let's see. Oh, this is the very first meal we had years ago. So I'm just going to look for something. Let me see. That's maybe I will go for I feel safe with you. I'm going to just look for a place to stick this here. Like so, maybe. Oh, sorry. This in the middle. Yeah, something like that. So that is the idea I have in mind. So this picture is the first time he traveled all the way to meet my family. And I'm just going to look for something and put here. So I'm going to go for you are considerate, maybe. So this is my idea. I'm going to do this for all the pictures and we'll see how it turns out. So this is what I have done so far. I have finished placing the pictures and this is what it looks like. And of course, I covered some personal photos which I would not want to show here, but I hope you get the idea. So this is what I have come up with. And so when I open the box, this is what we see. Voila. Like I said, I used washi tape to make a frame around its pictures and then attach the label stickers like this. However, you can come up with whatever design or idea comes to mind. This is the whole idea for this is to serve as an inspiration for you to, come up with something on your own. And then we'll open the next box. Let me see. There you go. Oh yes, and then what I did is on top of his box, I placed some of his baby pictures or his young and baby pictures, which I find so cute. Next. Voila. So this is what I did. And the next one. Yeah. These are also, beautiful memories. This is the day we got engaged. This is the day he asked me to marry him in the train. Just beautiful pictures. Him working on my web shop. So he's always very supportive, just beautiful memories. I love this baby picture of his also. So we'll open this, we have the box. So my plan is I wrote a letter, so I'm going to be putting this letter here. Close it. So you have this here, this, so go, yeah, it's good. And goes here, this, one here, here, so, so. So I am almost at the finish end, and I got this very interesting idea to include some chocolate bars. Right, so the plan is to put it on this part, and the plan is to put it here on this level of the box. So the idea is to put the chocolate bar in this pocket. If you're looking to try this, you might want to look for something that is flatter and would nicely fit, so it doesn't give too much pressure to the pockets and disfigure the box. So I am going to be using this, and I am going to put it here like so. I hope this one here, here, here. So there are a total of 6 pockets. So this is the plan, to put this here, and hopefully it holds up just right. Then I'm going to close this, and hopefully it holds up just fine. This way, this way, this way. There you go. And yeah, so this is it. I will close up this one. When he opens it, this is what happens. So we go this way. Okay, and let's see how this goes. This one. Ooh, I like it. Because of the pressure of the chocolate, it gives this explosion effect. So I like it. So this is good. This is going to work. The finished product, and that is it, guys. So I'm just going to close this up for a final demonstration and tie it up, and that will be all. So I hope that this is helpful. I hope this inspires you to try something, and I wish you all the best, and I hope you have fun while making your gifts. Because of the chocolate, I would not want to tie it by turning it upside down anymore. I'm just going to carefully tie it up so it doesn't, get broken or it falls off. Just going to tie it gently without having to turn the box upside down. So guys, finally, I have my husband's gift all set and ready to be delivered. So this is it, guys. I hope this was helpful and I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed doing it. This is a perfect gift for Valentine, birthdays, anniversary, just because, and it's not just for your spouse, your partner, it's also a great gift for your children. Basically, it's just a gift that would work for anybody, either showers or baby showers, memories of pregnancy journey and all. It is a universal gift, in my opinion. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, ideas, and if you end up trying this and my video was helpful, of course, I would love to know in the comment section. Remember to subscribe, like, of course, share, and turn on the notifications so that you will get to know when I post videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Yours truly, Princess.